if you want to create double roll videos like this one, see him? Like this one in Powerdirector Mobile app, just follow along and I'll show you how to do it very easily using the masking feature. To create a double roll video in any place, what you need to do, you need to have some empty spaces towards the right or towards your left so that you can sit or you can be there in two different scenes at the two different places so that we can later on merge. The scene that I have created, the shot or the clip that I have created shot by keeping the subject in this chair first and then moving to the other chair and finally making the adjustments in the clips in Powerdirector, so which I'll be showing in the screen recording. And then using the masking feature, linear mask, we can join or we can club together both the clips to look like a double roll video. I brought the scene, or I brought the clip where I have shot two different scenes. First I talk in this left side in the scene, and then I moved to the right and then I made some gestures. So in between there is empty spaces towards left or towards right, so that what I can do is I can create a linear mask over this portion so that both the clips get together. Okay, so how I did it, I'll just cut short the portions from here. I move to the other chair, so I'll cut here and then simply cut and adjust your clips so that they match, and then I'll drag this clip to the other layer. And in the other layer, what you do is add a linear mask and then adjust it so that both clips are visible. This is how you can create a double roll video very easily.